In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix position when scrolling in Figma. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser, go to figma.com and log into your account. Now go to your specific design or project that you're currently working on. So as you can see, this is the project I'm currently working on. So let's say that you want to add this photo to a fixed position when scrolling. So just click here, and in the right hand side, click on prototype, and in the scroll behavior, click here and select fixed. Now let's try and present and preview this design. So click here, and as you can see from here, when I scroll down, the photo will stay in its place and will follow wherever we scroll. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.